Propose for a moment that there is a real, physical book sitting in a vault right now that no human being on Earth can read. The inability to understand it isn't caused by decay or missing pages. The ink is clear and the parchment is intact. We simply cannot comprehend the language itself. This is the Voynich Manuscript, a 15th century enigma that has resisted every attempt at translation for over 100 years. Its pages are dense with an unknown script, flowing around botanical illustrations that seem to belong to another world. If you look closely at these roots and leaves, you'll see the problem. These plants do not match any known biology on our planet. We possess a perfectly preserved vessel of information, but the knowledge inside remains inaccessible, written in a language that appears to have no ancestor and no relative. The drawings extend beyond botany into the celestial. The book features detailed astrological diagrams and constellations that do not appear in our night sky, alongside figures interacting with strange red star patterns. This isn't a collection of random doodles. It is a massive project spanning hundreds of pages, each one following a rigid internal logic and a consistent system of writing. The manuscript's entire vocabulary, both visual and textual, exists outside of known human history, creating a puzzle that has defeated the world's most capable minds. For decades, the most elite cryptographers, linguists, and historians have attempted to force the manuscript to give up its secrets. They looked for hidden ciphers, substitution codes, or linguistic links to Latin, Greek, or Arabic, but every traditional method of code-breaking resulted in a dead end. No matter the technique used, the text remained silent. This total failure led many to a cynical conclusion. If the world's best linguists can't find a meaning, perhaps the book is simply a meaningless, highly elaborate medieval hoax. Historians were left to decide if they were looking at a masterpiece of hidden science or the most time-consuming prank ever staged. The debate changed in the mid-20th century when early computers and advanced algorithms were used to analyze the text structure. Scientists stopped trying to translate individual words and instead used machines to map the statistical distribution of the entire script. This graph illustrates Zipf's law, a mathematical signature found in every genuine human language. It represents a specific frequency of word use that is incredibly difficult to fake. When the manuscript was analyzed, the data perfectly matched this curve. The Voynich script possesses the exact mathematical signature of a functional language. This data made the hoax theory untenable. A medieval prankster could not have successfully imitated these complex, underlying linguistic rules centuries before they were even discovered. Instead of solving the mystery, technology proved that the Voynich script is a genuine language that matches nothing else on Earth, making the enigma even more difficult to explain. Even today, with the help of supercomputers and artificial intelligence, we still cannot translate a single sentence of this text. What was its purpose? Was it a manual for underground scientific experiments? A record of specific, now lost botanical research? Or a private code intended to keep its contents hidden from the world? It leads to the possibility that the author never intended for us to read it, that this information was meant to stay within a very small, very private circle. Exploring mysteries that challenge our understanding of reality is what we do here on Untold Indian Stories. If you find these deep dives as fascinating as we do, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to join us for the next one.